make fun of me, but living in the past, I'm still recovering from what can never last. Please stop telling me I should be moving on. Don't want my heart to be. So most of the things are done, guys, and I'm really hungry. So we are going to head out to Java or at cafe. I'm not so sure yet where to have breakfast, or what is this even? This is lunch or dinner. So let's go have that. Hard to be back at square one. No one will ever be comparable to you. Don't think that I will ever see love from another point of view. 'Cause loving you feels so familiar. I keep chasing after something similar. Can't seem to find my bad habits when they smell just like your old jacket. I'll keep singing your sense and melody. Don't wanna learn a new song to sing. I'll be tangled up in this old familiar. So guys, I'm back home, and when I was living here at around 2, I was very hungry, and I thought, let me go to the mall, I get something to eat, and then I do some shopping, because guys, I have nothing in my house, like literally nothing. Like I've been eating out for the most part of the month. So I got there, I ordered something from Java. Actually, it was a kind of breakfast meal I ordered. I had that one, and then I got so full that I decided, I started debating whether to go shopping or to go back home, because now I was full. I decided to head over to Panda Mart, where I bought some stuffs that were not on my list. Now I got scented candle, I got toothbrush, some coffee cups, I got diffuser, I got dishwasher or what, that soap there. I also got vase and some plates. Now this technically means that the ones I have, I'm sending them to the village. Now this, I have no idea what I'm going to use this for, but I got it anyway. Now all these things here, they cost me less 5,000 Kenyan shillings. So yeah, that's me when I'm full. That's me when my stomach is full.
is a battle, and your life feels so cold. And I'm inside your mind. You're mine. Feel hard to breathe sometimes. Have no time to cry. I got you. I know you're tired. I know you try so hard. Boy, I got you. I give you warm. I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah. I know you have your blue days. Try to get out your head. Try to understand.
Good morning, guys. So you've already seen how empty and dirty my fridge is. So I got some few stuffs, but majorly it's just cleaning the fridge and putting these stuffs inside. So that's what I'll be doing today, and some other few things. So
Things work but don't you worry, 'cause I got you, babe. I'm always here to stay. I got you. I know you're tired. I know you try so hard. Boy, I got you. I give you warm. I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah.
Been through the footage about 1,000 times. My heart sits tight in my chest. Don't mind the wreckage, it's a work of art, so I gladly take all the pain. Ow. Just about everything makes me think of you, and I wish there was something I could do. Losing track of time, I can sleep at night, 'cause even then you're running through my mind. I am a shoulder break. It's really nothing I want more. Don't wanna be here if you're there. All that I'm asking for.
So I got these juice jars from CBD at 750 Kenyan shillings. I got 4 of them. Also, my fruits are now ready. I soaked them up with vinegar. So I'm washing them up so that I can store. Also, I got this container from CBD. 2 of them at how much? Oh my god, I think 17 or 16, 1,600, 1,700. I can't remember the exact, but there were 2 of them. That's how my fridge is looking right now. It's clean, only that I need to get more stuffs. I need to buy lots and lots of food to store. And guys, let me tell you something. I usually don't eat at home, so I'll be trying to get stuffs to be storing here.
Oh, there you go again. Another perfect match. Ruined by the outside circumstances. Or maybe could have been. There's no hope in the past. Giving up to fear and mischances. How it is the most is that the chapter's closed. If I was the one, why did you let me go? I don't believe in right person, wrong time. 'Cause when go. I don't believe in right person, wrong time. 'Cause when you love somebody, you shouldn't have to think twice. If you wanted to let me down, easy, that's fine. Let's call it for what it is. If you were right.
So guys, I have just finished almost everything that I was doing here in the house, like cleaning and everything. So I'm supposed to meet a friend of mine, and it's past 1. It's 1, and I said I'll be at her place at 1 so that we can go have something to eat because I haven't eaten. So right now I'm going to order Uber so that I can rush there quickly. We go have some breakfast. No, it's brunch actually, because I'm really hungry. So yeah, let's do that.
Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold. And I'm inside your mind, you're mine. Feel hard to breathe sometimes. Have no time to cry. I got you. I know you're tired. I know you try so hard. I got you. I give you warm. I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah. I know you have your blue days. Try to get out your head. Try to understand how to make things work again. But don't you worry, 'cause I got you, babe.
I'm back home, guys. I've spent most of my afternoon with my friends. We've eaten, like I ate like I've never eaten before, guys, and it was so yummy. The food was amazing, the ambience and just everything was amazing. So I'm back home, and I just couldn't pass this, so I got this cute cake from a cafe market. I got this strawberry. This is what I got. Really yummy, guys. It's yummy. So apart from that, I also got myself flowers because why not?
Here to stay.
I want to fix something for my bathroom. My bathroom has this rack that has been there for the past, I think, 2 months, but I want to change it. So I bought these yesterday from town. This is what I got. The corner shower thing, I got this one. Don't know if you can see. This is what I got, and we are going to fix it right now.
I know you're tired. I know you try so hard. I got you. I give you warm. I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah.